If you're new here, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps us bring you more valuable content, just like this every single week. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that affects millions of people all over the world. Money traps. What are they? Well, they're sneaky financial pitfalls designed to make you spend more, save less, and stay stuck in a cycle of debt. Think of them as invisible nets just waiting for unsuspecting victims. And if you don't know what to look for, you might already be caught in one. In this video, we're going to break down 10 major money traps you must avoid at all costs. We're talking about everything from those tempting no money down deals to credit card pitfalls, fake investment schemes, and a whole lot more. By the end of this, you will know exactly how to spot these traps, how to sidestep them, and how to take back control of your financial future. So, grab a notebook. This one is going to be powerful. Let's get started. You've seen the ads. No money down. Take it home today. Whether it's a giant flat-screen TV, a plush new sofa, or that fancy mattress you've been eyeing, these deals seem like the ultimate convenience. You get what you want right now without paying a single penny upfront. But here's the hidden danger. You're paying with your future money, not your current savings. Most of these 0% down plans come with sky-high interest rates if you do unclear the entire balance within a set period. And here's the kicker. If you miss even one payment, or you're a day late on that final payment, the company can backdate all the interest to your original purchase date. Suddenly, that $1,000 TV costs you $1,500 or even more. So, how do you avoid it? It's simple. Only buy when your wallet says you're ready. Save for the item in advance. If you absolutely must finance it, make sure you have a rock-solid plan to pay it off completely before that interest kicks in. Remember, in personal finance, delayed gratification is the real flex. Now, let's talk about car leases. Imagine you're driving your trusty old Honda to work, and your coworker casually rolls up in a brand new Audi R8. That temptation is real. But here's the hard truth. Leasing that luxury car isn't a win, it's a trap. Leasing often means you're repaying thousands and thousands of dollars over several years for something you will never actually own. You're essentially renting a lifestyle you can't truly afford. And once your lease ends, what are you left with? Nothing. No car, no equity, and often, a bunch of extra fees for going over your mileage limit or for normal wear and tear. How do you avoid this trap? Drive what you can actually afford. Save up for a car instead of leasing. And here's a pro tip. Invest the difference in an asset that grows, like stocks or index funds. True financial confidence isn't about the car you drive, it's about what you keep in your portfolio. Next on our list, student loans. Now, education is absolutely an investment, but student loans can turn into lifelong financial chains if you don't manage them wisely. Around the world, student loan debt has exploded into a massive crisis. The core issue is that many students borrow far more than they actually need, often without fully understanding the interest rates or the repayment terms. Then, when they graduate, they're already buried under a mountain of debt before they've even earned their first real paycheck. There are smarter alternatives. Apply for every scholarship and grant you can find. Choose more affordable colleges or look into community college programs for your first couple of years. Consider working part-time or studying online to slash your expenses. The goal is to graduate with as little debt as humanly possible. Remember, knowledge is incredibly valuable, but not if it costs you your financial future. Moving on to the biggest purchase most of us will ever make, a home. And believe me, mortgage traps are everywhere. One of the sneakiest is the adjustable rate mortgage, or ARM. These might look really appealing at first with their low initial teaser rates, but they can turn against you in a heartbeat. Once that introductory period ends, the interest rate adjusts, and your monthly payment can suddenly skyrocket without any warning. This unpredictability has pushed countless homeowners into financial distress or even foreclosure. So, what's the fix? Stick with fixed-rate mortgages. With a fixed rate, you'll know exactly what you're paying each and every month for the life of the loan. And when you're buying a home, prioritize what you can comfortably afford, not the maximum amount the bank says you can borrow. Alright, number 5. The risk-free trial trap. We've all seen those ads popping up everywhere. Try it for free, no risk involved. Sounds great, doesn't it? But here's the problem. Most of these free trials aren't really free at all. They ask for your credit card details, just for verification, and then they automatically start charging you the second that trial period ends. Studies show that something like 90% of people forget to cancel. Those $1 or even $0 trials quickly turn into hefty monthly charges of $100 or more. How do you avoid it? First, never enter your card information unless you are fully committed to the service. Second, set calendar reminders to cancel a day or two before the trial ends. Or better yet, use a virtual credit card with a strict spending limit. Always remember, in the world of finance, nothing is ever truly risk-free. Trap number 6 is the fake prize or contest scam. Congratulations, you've won a $1,000 Amazon gift card. Does that sound familiar? Most of the time, these are total scams. They ask you to pay a small processing fee or give up your personal details to release your prize. Let us be clear, real contests and lotteries never ask you to pay money to claim a reward. These scams are designed to do one of two things: steal your money directly or steal your personal information for identity theft. The rule of thumb is simple: if you don't remember entering the contest, you didn't win. Just delete those suspicious emails, block the pop-ups, and move on. Now for a particularly nasty one: payday loans. If there's a financial trap worse than credit card debt, it's this. These are short-term, incredibly high-interest loans that target people who are in a financial emergency. The interest rates are predatory, sometimes reaching over 400% APR. Think about it. You borrow $500 to cover a bill, and by your next payday, you owe $650. Many borrowers can't pay it back and end up rolling the loan over, creating a vicious cycle of debt that's almost impossible to escape. There are much safer alternatives. Build an emergency fund. Sell some unwanted items or pick up a side gig for quick cash. Look into community, financial aid, or low-interest personal loans from a credit union. Payday lenders are basically legal loan sharks. Avoid them like the plague. Alright, let's talk about investment scams. If someone slides into your DMS, promising guaranteed 10% returns every month with no risk, you need to run. These schemes prey on two powerful human emotions: greed and FOMO, fear of missing out. From classic Ponzi schemes to modern crypto rug pulls, these fake investments all have one single goal: to trick you into partying with your hard-earned money. How do you protect yourself? Always do your own research before you invest a single dollar. Be extremely skeptical of any secret or exclusive offers. Only work with licensed financial advisors and check that the company is officially registered. The old saying is a classic for a reason: if it sounds too good to be true, it is. Number 9 is a big one: credit card debt. Credit cards can be powerful financial tools when used correctly, but for many people, they are a silent money trap. The convenience of swiping now and worrying about it later tricks us into overspending. When you add in the high interest rates, late fees, and all the hidden charges, you've got a recipe for a financial nightmare. How do you avoid this downward spiral? Try to have only one credit card, and keep it just for true emergencies. Make it a non-negotiable rule to pay your balance in full every single month. Track every single purchase and stick to a written budget. The golden rule is this: if you can't afford to pay it off immediately, don't swipe the card. Finally, the 10th and perhaps biggest money trap of all isn't about spending, it's about not saving without an emergency fund. Even a small, unexpected expense like a car repair can push you straight into debt. Start by saving at least 10% of your income. Then, as your earnings grow, increase that percentage. The best way to do this is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account the day you get paid. This way, the money is saved before you even have a chance to spend it. Build a buffer for life's inevitable surprises, from a sudden job loss to unexpected medical bills. Savings aren't just about security, they're about freedom. The more you save, the more control you have over your own future. And that wraps up our list of 10 money traps to avoid at all costs. Remember, financial success isn't just about earning more money, it's about keeping what you earn and using it wisely to build the life you want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs to hear this message. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos on financial growth, smart money habits, and building personal wealth. Now, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, which of these traps surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart, stay intentional, and take charge of your money.